How to use custom crosshair in Marble Rivals. You need to start by heading over to your settings, then you need to go for the keyboard on the top, select the combat, and then you need to select the heroes that you want to change the custom crosshair for. You can select a specific hero, or if you want all of them to be on the same rectile, you can simply select all heroes and confirm. Then you need to move on to the HUD. This is where you need to simply select the rectile type. You have 4 different options. Simply select them accordingly, whatever you like. For me, circle is perfect. If you want to go with advanced modes like changing its width, rectile opacity, outline width, and all of the main features of a rectile, you can also select if you are playing competitive. You can also have the option to change the color if you want. Once you are done, you just need to also make sure to save the preset by simply clicking on this default and clicking on add new. Then you need to name it, let's say competitive, and simply confirm the changes, and this way you can change to any other rectile and then you can return to your original rectile just like so. So this is the way of how you can change crosshair or rectile in Marble Rivals.